this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store on your Android phone. So just go on to the top right and go to settings and then just going down to apps. And the first thing that we want to do is just clear the cache on the specific app. So let's go to apps right here. Scrolling down, look for the Google Play Store. So we can scroll on down, Google Play Store. We should see it around here. Here's Google. Oh, here it is, Google Play Store. And then we can go on down to where it says storage. Go to clear cache. Okay, so that should be good. You can see the version on the top. Now at any point in time, if we ever want to uninstall the updates, we can just hit the 3 lines, uninstall update. But let's go on over to the Google Play Store now, just locate this. Go to the top right to your name. You can see the little profile picture in the top right. Tap that and scroll on down. And let's go to settings. Let's go to about. Scroll on down. And we can see the Google Play Store version. And we can go to update Play Store right here. Okay, Play Store is up to date, so we got it. So if we ever have a problem, we can uninstall the updates and then update it right there. Or it usually does it automatically for me. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.